The atmosphere around Nnamdi Kanu's case has become serious again, and there is no sign that the discussion will slow down anytime soon. What many people are calling the final word from the Supreme Court is not just about one day in court. It is about a long legal journey that has shaped public opinion across Nigeria. And right now, the conversation is loud because the legal battle has entered another strong phase. Please like this video and subscribe because this update is detailed and you will want to follow every part of it carefully. Let us go straight to the heart of it. The Supreme Court had earlier ruled that the trial against Nnamdi Kanu should continue. That decision changed everything at that time. Many people expected the case to end earlier, but when the Supreme Court stepped in and said the trial court still had the right to continue hearing the matter, it sent a clear signal that the legal process was not over. That was a turning point. That was the moment many described as no going back. And please like this video and subscribe as we continue. From there, the case moved forward. The trial continued at the Federal High Court. Arguments were presented. Legal teams spoke strongly on both sides. Supporters of Kanu insisted that the case had political elements. Government representatives insisted that the charges were serious and must be treated under the law. The courtroom became the center of attention, not only in Abuja, but across the country. Nigerians followed closely. Every hearing day became breaking news. Please like this video and subscribe so you do not miss future breakdowns. Eventually, the Federal High Court delivered its judgment. The court convicted Nnamdi Kanu on terrorism-related counts and sentenced him to life imprisonment. That decision shook the country. Some people saw it as justice under the law. Others felt deep disappointment. Emotions were high, but legally speaking, once a conviction is given, the next step becomes appeal. And that is where we are now. Please like this video and subscribe because this is where the story becomes even more interesting. In recent developments, Kanu filed a fresh appeal challenging the conviction and the life sentence. His legal team is arguing that there were errors in the process and that certain legal principles were not properly applied. This is very important. Yet an appeal does not mean someone is automatically free. It means a higher court is being asked to review what happened in the lower court. That is how the legal system works. And please like this video and subscribe because I am breaking it down in simple English for everyone to understand. Now, why are people using strong headlines like no going back and final word? It is because once the Supreme Court makes a ruling on a major legal question, that ruling carries heavy authority. The Supreme Court is the highest court in Nigeria. When it speaks on a matter of jurisdiction or legal interpretation, lower courts must follow that direction. So in that sense, the earlier Supreme Court decision became a foundation that shaped everything that followed. Please like this video and subscribe as we move deeper into this matter. But here is something very important that many people miss. When people say final word, it does not always mean the entire case has ended forever. It can mean the final word on a particular issue. For example, the Supreme Court may give the final word on whether the trial can continue. That does not stop the trial court from later delivering judgment. And it does not stop an appeal after judgment. So when you hear dramatic headlines, understand the legal meaning behind them. Please like this video and subscribe so you can always separate fact from exaggeration. Another major development that changed the atmosphere is the announcement that IPOB has ended the Monday sit-at-home in the southeast. This is significant. For years, the sit-at-home affected businesses, schools, and daily life. Many families felt economic pressure. So when the announcement came that it would stop, people started asking questions. Is this a strategy change? Is it connected to the APE? Is it an effort to reduce tension? These questions are now part of the national conversation. Please like this video and subscribe because we will keep analyzing these shifts. The cancellation of the sit-at-home may also affect public perception. Some Nigerians who were frustrated by economic disruptions may now look at the situation differently. Others may see it as a move toward calm and stability. In any legal and political matter, public opinion matters, not inside the courtroom directly, but in the broader national environment. And please like this video and subscribe because public reaction is part of this story. Let us also talk about the life sentence. Many people hear life sentence and think it means the story has completely ended. In reality, a life sentence can still be challenged through appeal. The appellate court can review whether the conviction was correct, whether the sentence was appropriate, and whether the trial followed proper legal standards. That is why the appeal process is so important. It is not noise, it is a legal right. Please like this video and subscribe as we continue this detailed explanation. Right now, the appeal is the center of attention. Supporters of Kanu believe this is a fresh opportunity. Government supporters believe the conviction was properly delivered. Neutral Nigerians simply want peace and stability. The country is watching. Legal analysts are watching. International observers are also watching. And that is why this case remains one of the most discussed legal matters in recent Nigerian history. Please like this video and subscribe if you appreciate clear and calm reporting. Another key thing to understand is that court processes take time. Appeals require written arguments. The appellate court must review records. There may be hearing dates, there may be adjournments. So when social media says, "Big surprise tomorrow," be careful. Legal systems move step by step. It is not a movie. It is a structured process. Please like this video and subscribe so you are not misled by unverified claims. The phrase "STUNS FG" is also being used online. But in reality, what would truly stun the federal government would be a sudden reversal or dismissal of the conviction by a higher court, as of now. So what we know is that the appeal has been filed. That is the confirmed development. So the real tension is about what will happen next in the appellate court. Please like this video and subscribe because we will monitor every stage. Let us also remember that Nigeria is a country of laws. Courts are independent institutions. Whether people agree or disagree with a decision, the legal path remains the structured way to challenge it. Street pressure does not replace legal arguments. Social media trends do not replace court filings. The appeal documents and court hearings are what matter most. Please like this video and subscribe because understanding this protects you from confusion. At this moment, the case stands at a sensitive point. The conviction is in place. The appeal has been filed. The sit-at-home has been cancelled. The national conversation is alive again. Many are asking whether this is the beginning of another major twist. Nobody can say with certainty what the appellate court will decide. That is the honest truth. But what is certain is that the legal journey is not silent. It is active. Please like this video and subscribe so you remain updated. Emotionally, this case represents different things to different groups. To some, it is about national unity. To others, it is about self-determination debates. To many families in the Southeast, it is about daily life and economic survival. To lawyers, it is about constitutional principles and due process. This is why the story does not disappear. It carries weight. Please like this video and subscribe as we continue unpacking it. Let me make this very simple. There's step 1. Supreme Court earlier ruled the trial should continue. Step 2. Trial court later convicted and gave life sentence. Step 3. Appeal has now been filed challenging that conviction. Step 4. IPOB announced an end to Monday's sit-at-home. That is the clear timeline. No exaggeration, no drama, just facts in order. Please like this video and subscribe if this clarity is helping you. As we speak, attention is now shifting to how quickly the appellate court will act and what arguments will carry weight. Will procedural issues become decisive? Will the sentence be upheld? Will there be adjustments? That is what people are waiting to see. Until then, everything else is speculation. Please like this video and subscribe because we will keep separating fact from rumor. Nigeria has faced many complex legal battles in its history. Some lasted years, some changed political landscapes. The Kanu case has already influenced national debate. Whether it will influence legal history further depends on what happens in this appeal stage. The country is watching carefully. Please like this video and subscribe for consistent updates delivered in simple English. For now, there is no official confirmation of any sudden release. There is no verified Supreme Court reversal of the conviction at this moment. The key confirmed movement is the filing of the appeal and the strategic shift regarding sit at home. That is the real-time situation. Please like this video and subscribe so you always hear verified updates first. The next chapter will depend on court scheduling, hearing dates, and judicial review. Until the appellate court delivers its own decision, the conviction stands legally. That is how the system works. Calm analysis is important at this stage. Emotional conclusions can mislead people. Please like this video and subscribe for steady reporting.